Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another video. This is the first time that I've done aero towing, and I can say afterwards that it was a huge amount of fun. I've not had the perfect plane to do it, to actually do the towing before, but Jay Perkins here in the UK sent me the Top RC S-Cub 1500 to try out, and that has its own tow hook, which a flick of a switch can release the tow line. So that is 50% of the solution, but we needed a glider as well. And fortunately, my good friend Nick brought along his modified Lidl glider. So this has two servos in it for aileron and elevator, a third one at the front to release the line. So the idea was to have a 10-meter thin line between my tow plane, my S-Cub, and his little glider, and to tow it up to height, and then for him to release on his end, and then for me to do a low pass over the field, release the tow line, and then do another circuit and land myself. How did it go? Watch this video and find out. Here we go. So that was 4 flights using the Top RC S Cub 1500 to AERO-TOW, that little glider, up to height for release. Huge fun, and just demonstrating at the end there the reversible ESC, so you can reverse back into parking. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.